Yes, I hope my seat is comfortable. Me too.
May I see your boarding pass? Here you go, seat 14A. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. This plane is so big.
It is. I hope the flight is smooth.
Me too. Hi, is this your first long flight? Yes, and I'm a little nervous.
I hope everything goes well. The crew looks very nice.
Would anyone like food or drinks?
Yes, food please.
Coming right up.
Thank you, it looks delicious.
Do you travel alone?
Sometimes. Today's my first solo holiday. Wow, that's brave.
Look at the clouds. They're so beautiful.
Yes, it feels like we're in another world.
Absolutely. Flying is amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are descending into America. Please fasten your
Look outside, I can see buildings.
Wow, amazing view. My first time here. I can't wait to explore.
You will love it. We are landing. The city looks beautiful from above. I see my suitcase. Ah, finally, I'm happy it arrived. Everything went well. Excuse me, is this the line for taxis?
Yes, please wait here. Where are you heading?